Troy is performing a demo with Euclid Chemicals Euco Repair SCC. We will be using our 3 horsepower 220 electric 1.5-inch pump and 3 horsepower 220 U-blend mixer. Add approximately 80% of the water to the U-blend mixer. Add the rest of the water to the mixer. After mixing the material and water together in the mixer, add neat cement to prime the pump. Once the neat cement is drawn through the hopper, you are ready to dump the material out of the U-blend into the pump hopper. Purge the neat cement out of the material line. Once the neat cement is purged, you are ready to pump.